Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how to add or delete Netflix profiles. Now this will work on your PC, iPhone, or on your Android device as well. Now let's get started. So the first thing that we have to go, if we want to delete an account, we have to go here and we have to go to manage profiles, right? Once we're on manage profiles, we can click on the account that we want to delete, right? And we can go here and delete this profile right here, right? So this is how you can delete your account. You can also change the language right here. Now, if you want to add another account, we have to go back to Netflix, right? And we have to go here and we have to go manage profiles. And once we're on manage profiles, as you can see, I don't have a plus sign right here, but you will be able to have a plus sign here where you can click on it and you can add another profile, right? I don't have a plus sign because I already have a limited amount of Netflix profiles right here. So if I delete this profile, I'll be able to add, another profile with a plus sign. And this is how you can add another profile to your Netflix profile. So if you have 3 profiles, you can add 2 more. And if you have, 4 profiles, you can add 1 more profile right here. So I can't add another profile. So just keep in mind on these limitations that Netflix will give you, right? And yeah, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. And yeah, this is how you can delete or add Netflix profile to your Netflix account in 2022.